Hello my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During the summertime, I enjoy firing up the barbecue and grilling my protein. As much as chicken, shrimp, pork chops, steaks, fish and lamb are good on a barbie, we still need a nice side dish to pair with them. Rice is a great choice. I've already posted a few delicious rice recipes, and here's another one to try. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Mexican rice. This side dish is packed with flavor. It's not overly spicy, but it adds some zip to it. It pairs well with most meat, fish, and seafood. Besides serving it with grilled food, it goes very well with burritos, enchiladas, and tacos. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil. When it gets hot, we'll add onions and red peppers. Then we'll saute them for 3 minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for only 1 minute. The next ingredient we'll add is white rice. I'm using jasmine here. So we'll stir to coat and toast until it starts to turn golden brown, about 6 to 7 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll pour in the tomato sauce and a can of green chilies. We'll stir to combine before adding taco seasoning. Now, to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll also add granulated sugar, chipotle chili powder, ground cumin, hot paprika, ground turmeric, which is unusual, but I like the taste, and then ground sea salt. We'll stir all the ingredients until well mixed. Next, we'll pour in chicken broth, give another quick stir, increase the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. Then we'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for 13 to 14 minutes or until the rice is cooked through. We'll stir the ingredients once again, and we'll see as we mix them that the dish is actually ready. That's what happens with tomato sauce. It likes to sit on top until it's mixed in. Now for the finishing touch, we'll add Roma tomatoes and chopped cilantro. We'll stir again and serve immediately. And my friends, this is how Mexican rice. Filled with flavorful ingredients, this rice is an excellent side dish for many different entrees. It's easy to make, delicious, and versatile. Plus, it doesn't have the preservatives you would find in packaged rice. It's definitely a keeper. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!